कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले हाय कुछ करिए कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले अब कुछ करिए ओ कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए चक दे
It's finally a first for Narendra Modi. US congressman, part of an American delegation today, met the Gujarat Chief Minister in Ahmedabad and invited him to visit the United States. Today's development is definitely a shot in the arm for the Gujarat Chief Minister.
Modi has won the hearts of the American friends. Modi's charisma has admired the US guests. अमेरिकी उद्योगपति हमारे मित्र NIAPPI इंस्टीट्यूट के चेयरमैन श्री शलभ कुमार जी के अथक प्रयासों का, उनकी सूझबूझ का, उनकी मेहनत का और उनकी दूरदृष्टि के नाते अमेरिका के सरकार के साथ हाई लेवल कांटेक्ट करवाने के लिए उनका धन्यवाद करता हूं.
We have in Gujarat, in Mr. Modi, a visionary leader, but not only visionary, he has proven that he could execute.
What you've achieved in Gujarat is a remarkable achievement, both in improving the quality of life of your own people, but also at a time when all around the world there are economic challenges. You have a model of success rather than failure. And I think that all too often we fail to learn from those who have figured out what the code is for getting people to have a more prosperous and a more productive future. So I'm confident we have a great deal we can learn from you in that area.
We'll have to learn from each other.
Because the vision that they have as to where they're taking Gujarat moving forward is just beyond anything that I've ever seen. But also I'm confident that this is the leader that has the ability to execute and make it happen.
So now Kathy is our ambassador.
This is a huge market for energy, obviously a growth and expansion market.
He is a very dynamic person and I think has a pretty impressive track record here in the state of Gujarat. Especially we're impressed with the statement, minimum government, maximum governance.
USA is the oldest democracy of the world. India is the largest democracy on the earth. Moreover, both the countries remain committed to these principles. The democratic ideals flow from the ideals of humanity. The challenges of today's world require us to work together even more seriously. We have to strengthen the process of democracy with the aim of larger good of the larger number of people. In recent years, Gujarat state has adopted inclusive and environment-friendly process of development. Gujarat is ready to work with the rest of the world to make further impact in these fields. Gujarat has been a global community. Our people have learnt a lot and have received a lot of love and affection across the globe. We are keen to return the same love and affection to the world. This creates a common platform for creative forces. I'm sure that an organization like the National Indian American Coalition and the leadership of Mr. Kumar can help us greatly in this process. Let us come together and work together.
कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले हाय कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले अब कुछ करिए ओ कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए